Hi everyone, this is Samay. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. Today we are using vegetables from our backyard. Collard green are super nutritious and it has a lot of vitamins. It is even more nutritious when it cooked and it's very easy to grow. So today we are going to use this collard green in an authentic dish called Amok. My aunt's sister traditionally make it with fish, but my kid loves chicken. So I'm going to cook it with chicken. My kid's favorite dish is chicken amok. So we make it a lot. Let's get started. Blanching the collard green to reduce the smell and the bitterness. After blanching, put it into a cold water to stop it from cooking and preserve the color. For the chili paste, cook it in low heat until the water evaporates and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Constantly stir until it becomes dark red, but do not let it burn. And then pour your coconut cream into the chili paste and turn off the heat. Add all your dry ingredients and taste it before you add egg. This dish you can eat it by itself or with rice. It is very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe for more video. See you in the next video.